With our new SnowScape, you can create your own snow anytime, anywhere that lasts indefinitely. Contents include this pop-up logo box with the water tray on the inside, a snow packet with instructions, and our miniature shovel to move the snow around as you would like. Now it's time to make some snow. Take your SnowScape and add a 1/3 cup of water, pouring it into the tray. Next, you're going to take your snow packet and empty the contents into the water and watch the magic that happens next. The snow expands to fill out the SnowScape, creating the perfect giveaway for any industry. Feel free to move the snow around as you wish with our miniature shovel that is included in the packaging.